Hello friends, how are you all? Hope everyone is well. Friends, today I am going to tell you some unknown facts about a country that celebrates 2 Independence Days in a year. And this is the only country in the world where men carry their wives on their backs to participate in the race. And it's a country where girls can't find their boyfriends. And it is a country where no money is required to travel by bus or train. Today I will tell you some wonderful facts that are related to this country. You will also know where you must go and how much money you can spend if you want to go here. So friends, today I will tell you about the country of Estonia. Located on the Baltic Sea coast of North Europe. Watch the full video if you want to know more. And subscribe to your favorite channel RoamQuill and click the bell icon to never miss any video. Now enjoy the full video. This country spread across 45,347 kilometers. The country is the 132nd largest country in the world in terms of population. Its population is around 13,30,000. And in terms of population, this country is at number 155 in the list of the largest countries in the world. Friends, you will be very surprised to know that the population rate here is decreasing day by day. Friends, the population of this country was 15,65,000 in 1990, which has decreased to 13,30,000. There are 3 big cities in this country with a population of not more than 50,000. And the population of other cities is very less. Friends, the capital of this country is Tallinn, which is the biggest city of this country. Friends, although this country is a very small country in the world, the first online voting was launched in this country. And this was started in 2005. Friends, the currency of this country is euro. And yes friends, the currency of this country was not euro from the beginning. Estonia switched from its own currency to the euro on January 15, 2011. Friends, 16% of people in this country practice Christianity, and the rest do not follow any religion. Friends, you have seen many types of churches before. But there is a church here which is completely made of wood. This church is the oldest wooden structure. It was built in 1644. Friends, this country has more than 2,000 islands, that's why this country is very popular among island lovers. But here more than half of the islands are uninhabited. Friends, as I said in the beginning, the transport here is completely free, but it is reserved only for the citizens of this place. And the tourists who come here have to spend money for it. And yes friends, there is a kind of competition where men carry their wives on their shoulders or back and participate in a race. Friends, not only citizens but also tourists can participate in this world. And friends, the funniest thing is that most fat people participate in this game. In this game, girls are carried upside down on their backs. And in this way 3 steps have to be passed, in which one step has density of water of 1 meter depth. And in this game men can live with their own wife and neighbor wife or any girl above 16 years as their partner. Friends, 2 Independence Days are celebrated in this country. One is February 24th and the other is August 20th. Friends, let me tell you why girls here can't find a boyfriend. Because the number of girls in this country is more than the number of boys. Where 100 women are allotted for 70 men, now you tell me what will happen to these 30 women. And that's why many people say that girls here make friends with boys in foreign countries and get married. And girls here believe in online dating a lot. Now tell us, if you want to marry or be friends with the girls of this country, then share it with us through comments. Friends, let me tell you about the popular food here, then I will tell you about the places to visit here. Friends, the first dish is mulgaputer, a national dish of Estonia. The next dish rosalj is a popular Estonian party food, a delicious beet and potato salad, explosively crimson in color. Then next food is kilavoiliab, which is also called Estonian sprat sandwich, and there are many kinds of delicious food. If you want to eat, you must go there in Epicen. And this is not a food blog, so I won't go into depth about the food. Friends, let's take a look at the tourist spots here. The place at first sight is Oldtown Tallinn. Friends, this is an excellent example of the training center of Old Town medieval Europe. The town was built around a castle made of lights in the 13th century and houses many merchants. It was declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1997. The next place is Laima National Park. The Laima National Park is certainly the most famous places to visit in Estonia. This park is just an hour's drive from the capital and makes for an ideal day trip. When in the park, do not miss out the Viru Bog or Viru Raba. And after that, the place is Saaremaa. Saaremaa is the best place to visit in Estonia. The island comprises a history that is 8,000 years old. It was ruled by the Swedes, Danes, Russians and the Germans over the years. Visitors who come here spend their time in the capital city of the island, Kuressaare, where you can explore the intact medieval castles. Now see about the fourth place. Tartu. Considered as the intellectual hub of the country, Tartu is well known for the University of Tartu. It is the oldest city in the nation, which makes it more interesting to visit. The city center is classically designed with 18th century buildings, most being an outlet for innovative requirements. Also, there are 8 more places that you should never forget to visit, such as Narva Castle, Pärnu, Rakvere Castle, Hiiumaa, Summa National Park, Viljandi, Lake Peipus, and Matsalu National Park. Now, friends, let us tell you how much it will cost you if you visit here. Friends, to go here you must apply through online visa, which you will get very easily. Here the cost per person for 7 days is about $721 to $841 US. So friends, how did you like our today's video about Estonia? Be sure to comment. Now friends, I am ending the video here as of today. I will come to you again next week with a new great video. So subscribe to the channel to get regular video updates, and if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and share your friends. Until next video, keep dreaming, stay healthy, and safe travel.